Welcome back to Kodemine. Karrie here. So in this video we will see how we can install Laravel 8 in our operating system, right? So currently I have Ubuntu 16.04 LTS and which is 64 version, 64 bits. So we will try to install this into my system. So this is the command. So before install Laravel, what is the requirement? You should have PHP equal to or greater than 7.3, right? Greater than equal to 7.3, and Composer should be installed, right? Better if we have a Composer in our system, right? So for PHP installation, or if you want to upgrade the PHP, the same videos available for the PHP upgradation and Composer upgradation in Ubuntu is available in our platform. It's a very easy. So you guys can follow step there. So let's start with the Laravel installation. So I will copy this command. So basically Composer is a command, then create project, then preferred distribution, then distribution's name Laravel, then what will be the my project name. So I copy this command. I am trying to create a pizza application, right? So I am in a blank folder Laravel, right? So I will hit a command here and it will start creating a Laravel project. So it will take few minutes because it will load different kind of dependencies for the Laravel, right? So Composer is basically a dependency manager which used by PHP, right? Or simple words, you can say that Composer is a simple dependency manager, because many times our framework have a different dependencies, like we have some PDF generation, some card kind of functionality, ORM, right? PDO kind of library we want to use. So these all libraries are dependency, right? So Composer basically helps us to manage those dependency, right? If we install manually those kind of dependency, there could be a version issue or there could be an integration issue, right? So we are not able to integrate that libraries into our framework manually, right? So the Composer actually handle all the things on its own. So Composer is a very beautiful thing, right? So it is downloading all the dependencies one by one. So you guys can see now, one by one it will download all the dependencies. So we will see that whether it will work or not, right? So meanwhile, I just want to give you the introduction of our new channel, Kodemine. It is basically designed for the student or the professional who want to enhance their self in free of cost, right? So time to time you guys will get very new courses or new tutorials over there, and I just want you guys to just subscribe our channel for the upcoming events and upcoming courses. And currently we are started with the two courses. One course is Laravel and another courses is Docker courses. So both are very advanced technologies if you guys interested in web development. So you guys can see now we are installing one by one all the dependencies. So my request to you guys is to just please subscribe our channel and share with your friends, family, and your classmates or your colleagues, and helps us to build a community, right, and enhance the education across the globe. So hope you guys will help us to spread our message to the community. So if we come back to the Laravel installation, you guys can see now one by one all the things we are installing in our Laravel application. And if I go into the location, that file, you guys can see now into my Laravel application, right? Laravel directory. I have now this application installed, right? So it's under process now. Okay, it's I think almost done now. So you guys can see here we have successfully installed Laravel application. So how can we run that application? Just I need to go into my application directory. Then this artisan command, right? This is the artisan file. You need to run that file, right? It has a various values, right? How can you run php artisan then serve? That's it. So you guys can see now here started Laravel development server. So our development server has been set up and we just need to double click on that, or you guys can select it properly, right? So select this all, copy it, then go into the browser, right? And here you need to run the application. So you guys can see here, right? This is it, right? So this is what we have. This is our application is running now. So you guys can see here now our application is running fine on this URL, right? So just we need to execute which command? We just need to go into our that for example I have installed pizza application, so I got a pizza folder. I will go into that folder, run the php artisan serve, and then this is your URL, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any query, question, right, so please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.